They're invisible to the naked eye. Yet, given the right opportunity, they can bring entire societies to a halt. These are viruses, microscopic invaders, smaller than a grain of salt, but packing an impact that echoes across the globe. Let's take a closer look. Imagine a minuscule packet. Inside, just genetic code, DNA or RNA, surrounded by a tough protective shell of protein. This is a virus. It's not alive in any traditional sense. It can't move, consume, or reproduce on its own. Stripped down to the bare minimum, a virus's only tool is its genetic program. But what makes viruses so astonishing isn't their simplicity, it's their strategy. Alone, they're powerless. But once a virus encounters a living cell, everything changes. It latches on, slips its genetic information inside, and takes control. That cell, once minding its own business, now becomes a dedicated factory, cranking out copies of the original virus. When the time is right, the new viruses burst out, seeking new cells, new hosts, new worlds to conquer. The world of viruses is unimaginably vast. Some cause little more than a sniffle. Others, like HIV, influenza, and coronaviruses, have rewritten human history. And viruses don't stop at humans. They attack every form of life, including animals, plants, and even bacteria. Those viruses of bacteria, they're called bacteriophages, and they're some of the mightiest predators in the microscopic realm. Luckily, our bodies aren't defenseless. The immune system launches wave after wave of defenses, recognizing, attacking, and often defeating these invaders. And when natural defenses aren't enough, humanity fights back with vaccines, antivirals, and simple habits, like hand-washing and covering coughs. Viruses aren't alive, but they're always evolving. They don't think, but they adapt. To know them is to fight them, and to protect our world.